I'm Kurt.
I'm Dave.
And we are Nirvana.
He goes up, he's like, ladies and gentlemen, Foo Fighters.
We're huge, really. That's the best part. We're fucking massively huge and famous, rich.
Some champagne. Come on. I was in fucking Nirvana, dude.
And so they went to the first band, and they're rocking the opening jam. The second band rocking it, and the camera came to us. We just went along, completely freaked out.
Had to do it again.
And they're like, "What? Stop! We had a technical problem." Did it again. They did it like 3 times, and then Katie Lang comes up to us and goes, "You know, some of us want to get out of here tonight." I don't know if you're familiar with. There's a Wocket in my pocket. It's one of my personal things, and a Findo in my window, and a Nook case in my bookcase.
That's a good question. Yeah, they're all pretty easy for me. I'm Dave Grohl, damn it.
Get each other pregnant.
Yeah. No, don't get pregnant.
Reproduce. It's a bit wet.
His nipples are really sore.
My fucking t-shirt I've been looking for a fucking month, asshole.
When the wheels come down.
Europamesterskabet i fodbold, og det er jo fantastisk, men og det er sikkert derfor, at folk jubler derude, for Nirvana er det næste band, der skal spille på den store scene, og jeg forsøger at gennemføre